can't believe I'm doing this, but hey, this is gonna be an unboxing video of a new microphone because, quick catch up, I lost my vlogging microphone back in the Philippines, so we got a new one. Apparently, I think that this is one of the newest by Boya. It's called the Boya Magic Mic. I got this new microphone from Amazon at this cost, and you most likely could too. So this is it. This is the Boya Magic Mic microphone. It's called an AI-powered transformable wireless microphone. But I mainly bought this because it is a transformable microphone, and it seems neat because it has its own case. You can see on the side that you can clip it to your cap or use it like a handheld microphone. Okay. But it's AI powered. Let's see here right off the bat. Let's look at the back. It says that it has 4 forms in one: clip-on, handheld, desktop, or on camera. See, it comes with a charging case, a transmitter, and a USB-C receiver. Now, as you know, the other Boya mics do come with a receiver as well. The one that I was using before is a lightning receiver or a dongle. That's because I was using this phone as my camera back in the days, back in a few months. Now I am using a different phone as my camera, so which means that I'll be using USB-C. Okay, now let's open it. Oh, what? And if you don't know, this Boya actually comes with an app now. It's called Boya Central App for better recording experience, and it's right here on the box. I guess we'll be downloading that later on as well. Okay, without further ado, let's try to open it. See what's inside. I like how it's packed. It's like, comes with a warranty card. It comes with a user manual, which is amazing because I still read manuals. Oh, it comes with a muffler? Does it come with a muffler? So it comes with this whole thing. I don't know if you can read it, but there is a QR code to access the complete user manual. So this is what you get out of the box, which is a nifty case. I would say that this is a palm size. We get a Boya pack, and then you open it inside. Ooh, there is a muffler. I like this already. Okay. There is a muffler for the main microphone, and two small mufflers for the clip-ons. This is amazing. Two clip-ons are right here. They're stored inside. That is amazing. So you get two. So you open it by pressing and swiveling it like a cabinet door. I guess if you're using this as a microphone per se, you just have to... Oh, turn on. It turned on. Okay. And I'm presuming I was right. This is the receiver. It's the one that you plug in your phone. Wow, this is very compact. Okay, so it has 2 USB-Cs as a charging port at the back, I'm presuming, which is, it comes with this. It does have holes on top, and I'm presuming that's where the sound goes in, as well as here. I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but it is a microphone. Let's try doing the clip-ons with the clip-on and the microphone itself. Hi everybody, I'm Ian, and this is the audio when I'm not using any microphone. Okay, so the microphone has 2 modes as usual. It has the normal mode and the voice cancellation mode, and you can already hear how I sound like with the normal mode on, and that's when I hold the microphone in front of my face and my mouth. So when I turn on the noise cancelling, it should sound like this. I don't know, I haven't reviewed the footage yet to see if there's any difference, but I will put them in the comment section down below to see the difference that I've noticed between the 2 modes. So when it's clipped on your clothes, this is how it would sound like. Now this is on the color blue mode, which means that it's not really noise cancelling. It picks up everything. So when you switch it up and turn it to the noise cancelling mode, this is how it's gonna sound like. Hi, I'm Ian, and this is how the microphone sounds like in noise cancelling mode. There's also an option to put it on your cap. For the cap, you're not supposed to put it here, but you're supposed to put it on this side. So this is how it sounds like if it's on your cap. If you turn it up to noise cancelling, this is how it sounds like on your cap. I'm gonna test the microphone feature, but I don't know, because I don't know how it sounds like. Maybe we could test it with my brother, I'm not sure. Alright, actually it's a perfect setup because my brother's playing a game. And I don't know if the microphone will pick up any background noise. It's currently on blue. So I want to ask, I'm gonna ask him one question. How old are you? 16. It's gonna be like that. They're gonna go close to the microphone a little bit and then they're gonna answer. And that's the standard Boya cover with the regular mode on. Turn it to the noise cancelling mode. This is how it's gonna sound like, and I'm gonna ask him the same question again. How old are you? 16. And that's how it's gonna sound like. That is the unboxing for the Boya Magic Mic. I think it's very useful, especially that it comes in a case like this. The microphone itself is the case, is pretty smart. And would I recommend buying it if you are an on-the-go content creator and you go a lot of places? Yes, definitely. I don't know, I haven't been so long of a content creator, but I lose it a lot. But having this case all together and having a microphone with the clip-on is dead-ass amazing. Back then, the standard Boya microphones weren't really much in terms of use because they're pretty long, and at the same time, you know, they're quite bulky for well, they're regular size or standard size, but these being sized down into like what tablets, it's amazing. I know that this isn't exclusive to the Boya Magic Mic, but with the size feature as well as the availability to use it as a microphone is intensely amazing and creative. And they do say that it is enhanced with AI. I'm still yet to learn more about that, but you can always search it up at Boya's website. And yeah, I think that would be it. So we'll be having a new buddy starting from now. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you again soon. Bye bye.